What's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video guys, itutur ko po pala kayo sa aming bahay. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng pagkagawa ng aming minamahal na pastor, ng aming house and lot. Joke lang guys. So by the way guys, ito po pala ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pagtatalas ng aming pastor. Yan pala sa lababo namon. Yan guys oh. It's very nice and it's very beautiful. Dili po ako naghahambog guys. Gusto ko lang talaga guys i-show to everyone na by the way yan pala ay tulong ni Ate Janet. Ay sa kanya pala ito bahay. Yan. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching guys. And of course, don't forget to like, shares, and comments. And also, please subscribe nyo naman ako guys. Nang sa ganun ay magkaroon tayo ng marami mga... please hit the bell button para po updated kayo sa mga gagawin kong videos. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next live. See you in my next video. God bless.
May nakatawa lang